And so, and then it's got the sentiments. I got interrupted. So my daughter has a volleyball game and my niece is on the team, but my niece has basketball, so she can't go into the volleyball. And of course, my sister has snacks, so I got to bring the snacks. So that was the interruption. But anyway, this one is the Hooray, It's Your Day sentiments from this stamp set. So a lot of that came from this stamp set. And then you make 4 cool cards. And so this one is, we got the little, they cut out a lot of stuff for us, and all we had to do was stamp it and heat emboss it. So glad you're my friend. And like, if you wanted to do a gift, like this is just great. And I think this stamp set is so amazing for masculine stamps, masculine cards, you know. And not that I make that many masculine cards, but I do make a few, or I do give a few. And my son is always rating my card boxes for cards for friends. So these are really great for that. And this one says, hey, friends. And then here's this one that just says happy birthday. So I love, love, love the quad ones. I have the heart one and now this one. And then the birthday one is coming out. So I already ordered that one. So I can't wait to make something with those. And they're just really, really just fun to create with. Anyway, thank you for watching. And that was my experience with Stamp Joy. This was probably the best online class I've ever done. I've done quite a few. If you are looking for this type of thing, I think she does in-person Stamp Joy in the fall. And then in the spring, she does the online is what she's been doing. And the other classes that I've decided, I know Pink Fresh, I think, is doing one, but I don't really use a lot of Pink Fresh stuff, so I didn't do that one. It was pretty expensive too. La La Land is having one, and I already paid for that one. I believe, I can't remember if it's in May. So if you're looking for things, La La Land is doing one. They had an early bird, it's kind of special thing. And so hopefully I'll get the kit for that in the next couple weeks. And then another one is Concord and Ninth. I did the Concord and Ninth summer camp last year. I really liked it. And then I did the, I was sick and I couldn't really do the one that was in the Christmas workshop. I didn't care for the projects. They were too, what's the word? Project oriented. I would have preferred just tags and cards for that one, but they had you making other stuff that just, what I wasn't going to make. So that one wasn't my favorite, but I really liked the summer camp. So I did sign up for the new summer camp, which they have an early bird, I think, and then it goes up to regular price. And so I looked, they kind of give us sneak peeks, and the kit looks pretty amazing for the Concord and Ninth. They're going to be having a turnabout stamp, which I love turnabouts. So I have a turnabout stamp, and it looks like some sort of stencil. So that one looks really fun too. So I think if you're going to do classes, it should be with products you really like. But this was definitely my favorite one. I loved all the products we used. I loved all the cards we made. It was pretty fun. So thank you very much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.